Well, baby, I'm on it with a bottle of wine and an old dirt road, and you're ready to go if you want to. Hey, thanks for joining us today. Live Music Nation podcast, special festival edition. Today, we are with a group from Unity Festival in Louisiana. I'm going to let you guys introduce yourself and tell us one unique thing about each of you. Brian, we'll start with you.
Yes, sir. How you doing? My name is Brian Washington. I am from Baton Rouge, Louisiana. I am one of the co-founders of Unity Fest, and I also do construction. That's one of the other things about me. So you see me sweat down here. That's what we got going on. But we are definitely doing this festival and want to bring folks together.
Perfect.
That's why.
Well, really, I am Unity Festivals as well as Hidden Artistry's content creator. So I create all the visuals that are put out for both companies.
Emily.
Hey, sorry about that. Sorry, we're in the same room. That's okay. Sorry, I'm Emily. I'm a marketing creative director here at Hidden Artistry. Sorry about that. I was just trying to take some notes down for a second, but it's very nice to meet you.
Very good. Guys, let's jump into this. Somebody can answer the first question. Let's start with the when and the where.
So, Emily, go ahead. You can lead on with the questions and answers.
I'm sorry, what was that?
She's asking when and where. So look, we're doing Unity Fest is January 12th, 13th, and 14th. It is held in Darrow, Louisiana, on a campground that we've created along with Grammy Award-winning jazz artist, Mr. Bill Summers. Okay. So it's down in Darrow, Louisiana, right off I-10.
Perfect. Okay, so let's jump in. 3 questions that always help our listeners get the full embodiment of this event. What does it look like? What does it smell like, meaning foods in the air? And 3, what does it sound like, meaning music, entertainment, other activities going on? So let's go back to number 1. What does it look like?
So Unity Fest, it's a different festival than what you commonly see. So it's a camping festival, right? So people can come out and bring their tents, come out with their families. They enjoy some great Louisiana food, all variations of music from country to hip hop to blues, jazz, etc. Also, there'll be some outdoor games and activities where people can play this tug of war. Just some simple things that we can kind of get off into and have some fun enjoying the outdoors. So, but we're from Louisiana, so the food's definitely gonna be, definitely gonna be in the atmosphere, man.
That's what we're hoping for. Very good. Yeah. Okay, let's talk a little bit about the actual festival itself. What does it include? What are people going to experience?
So, like I said, it's a 3-day camping festival. So if you get there on Friday, not only do we have ourselves and our team that'll be involved, we have wildlife and fishery, AT&T, and several other folks that'll be a part of the overall event and festival.
Let's talk about the goals of the festival. You guys, this was founded when, and then how has it progressed, and what are some of the goals that you hope to achieve?
Back to let's finish it. Sir, say that one more time to answer the question.
So what are some of the goals of this event?
So our goal is really to bring in multiple people from different walks of life. Let me say that. So whether you enjoy country music, whether you enjoy jazz, etc., whether you like the outdoors, it's really to get people off their devices and really bring people back to the simpler things in life. That's what Unity Fest is about. It's like bringing you back to the start. And before we had all of these computers and these iPads and everybody got a device, but we rarely have real conversations.
Yeah.
And so Unity Fest is dedicated towards bringing people together. Like, let's communicate, let's share, let's enjoy some simple things and games and even arts, right? So there'll be some live entertainment around campfires. So we want, and not just, let's say music artists, but we want to have some spoken word, maybe some poets, maybe even get some actors to act out some things around the campfire, kind of create that atmosphere of what we can do for each other through entertainment, through the arts, through creative and performing arts. So that's mainly what we're doing for Unity Fest.
I've got you. I got you. Keely, talk about your role in this and how important social media and the marketing development is.
So as far as my role, all the advertisement that we see for Facebook, Instagram, TikToks, all the platforms that we're pushing it on, it's very important because we're trying to reach not just within our community as far as Louisiana. We do want to span out and have everybody come in and join in. That is the purpose of Unity Festival. We do have some people with Bill Summers who's coming from Europe as well because he travels worldwide. So we're gonna have people from there, like his band, the Headhunters, who was with Huey Hancock. And it's just meant to just bring everybody.
Yeah. So yeah, that's a good one, Keely, that you pointed that out. That because we're dealing with you know, an artist as big as Bill Summers is. He's a world-renowned jazz artist. He is the first jazz artist to ever win a Grammy. So with that being said, he has a huge audience, and he wants to bring some of the wealth of his experience and relationships to Unity Fest, so people can experience the things that he has experienced throughout the world.
Gotcha. Very good. Very good. Talk about some of the other activities that are going on throughout the weekend, especially kids. Let's look at that younger generation. What do you guys have to offer for that younger spectrum?
So as it relates to kids, it's a great time, right? So you know, really kids today, they complain about wanting to go outside, but when they get out there, they just enjoy it, right? So like I said, there will be a lot of different activities and games. We have sack racing that we want to do, three-legged man race, you know, so really getting people active and, you know, some things that'll make them laugh and be silly, and really enjoy being a kid without having to have a device. So that's the overall goal for the kids. There'll be some face painting and other things provided by other artists as well. Yeah. So a lot of activities for kids. This is a family-oriented event, and I think it'll be a great experience for everyone that comes out.
Perfect. Talk a little bit about your passion for this. Each of you play a significant role as it goes through there. What are some things that you look forward to doing in the future, especially because this is so much work and so much time and dedication? Talk about that future. What are some goals there?
So the future for Unity Fest and our overall goal, I think, and passion, like you asked, that is the what it says in the name is Unity Fest, right? It's really to bring back the simpler things in life that people really, really appreciate, and be able to build from, right? So that from this festival, when you experience and go back home, then this is something that we want people to be able to remember throughout their lives. I want the kids to be like, man, remember when we went out to the woods and had this camping festival? And you know what I'm saying? We had tug of war and Dad fell down in the mud, or we won a three-legged man race, or those type of things I think that resonate with us, that are you know, really bring that family structure together. And so my passion is to do that, to bring our families back together, to understand that we're just all people, man. We all one and the same. We all have the same desires to want to be able to just enjoy this life, and we're not here for a very long time. So my goal is to make people be able to live more in the moment. You know what I mean? And just come together. That's what Unity Fest represents.
Yeah, perfect. All right, guys, one fun question for everybody to answer here. We're going to start with Emily. I want to know, what's the best concert you've ever seen in your entire life?
So I guess I have a bit more of an EDM kind of favor for music. And
Sure.
I guess the best show ever would either be, I don't know if anybody knows, but an RL Grime concert or a Odessa. Odessa would probably be my number one.
Okay. All right. What about you, Keely?
I think for me, my favorite was the one here that I did in New Orleans when the weekend came, because I am so much with R&B.
Yeah, absolutely. What about you, Brian?
Man, the ultimate and best performer that's gonna top all of what they're saying is Usher. For me, Usher's performance as a singer, as a dancer, as the production of the show,
Yeah.
he's always wowed me every time I've seen him perform.
Yeah.
And you know, he reaches. He's a global artist, right? So Usher was my favorite.
That's perfect. That's
Definitely
perfect.
so.
All right,
Yes, sir.
Keely, tell us how people can find out more information about Hidden Artistry and Unity Festival.
So Hidden Artistry, you can follow us on our Instagram. It's hiddenartistry.ent. And then for Unity Fest, we have Unity Fest, unityfestivals.inc as well on Instagram, as well as the website, which is www.unityfestivals.org.
Okay.
So as far as tickets and all information needed that what the festival is going to have as far as vendors, entertainment, lineup, and all that will be on the website.
Very good. Very good. Very good. Emily, Keely, Brian, thanks for joining us. I appreciate it.
Man, thank you. We appreciate you.
You bet.
Well, baby, I'm on it with a bottle of wine and an old dirt road. Are you ready to go if you want to?